Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create code-based navigation in Articulate Storyline 360 using Microsoft Forms and add this interaction into Articulate Rise 360. Validate learner input using Microsoft Forms. First, open your course in Articulate Storyline 360. Go to the slide where you want to add the interaction. Next, click the Insert tab and select Web Object. Now, copy the Microsoft Forms URL that created earlier. Paste the URL into the web address field and click OK. Resize the web object to match your slide design. Then, create a text entry field and a text variable to collect the learner's code input. Now, create a new layer called Incorrect. Next, add a trigger to jump to the next slide when the entered code matches the correct value. Then, add another trigger to show the incorrect layer when the learner enters the wrong code. Customize the slide and feedback message as needed. Once everything is ready, publish and preview the course. You'll see that learners can continue to the next slide only after entering the correct code displayed after submitting the Microsoft form. Embed Storyline 360 interactions in Articulate Rise 360. Now, open Articulate Rise 360. Go to the lesson where you want to add the Storyline 360 interaction. Open the block library, go to the Interactive section, and select Storyline. Click Browse Review 360 and select your published Storyline 360 course. Next, add a Continue button below the interaction. Open the Continue button settings and lock the button until the interaction is completed. Preview the course again. You'll notice that the Continue button unlocks only after the learner enters the correct code successfully. And that's it. You've successfully created code-based navigation using Microsoft Forms in Storyline 360 and added it into Articulate Rise 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.